Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply same or different tax or VAT for different states, province or location in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting, work as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to apply tax or VAT on products. So you can add or apply tax on one product or multiple products for different states, province or location. Now go to WooCommerce settings. So we are in general tab and then you see tax. So click on it. So we are in tax option and then you see tax option and then you see additional tax classes. Now you see price enter with tax. So select no, I will enter price exclusive of tax and then you see calculate tax based on customer shipping address, drop down. So you can select option according to requirement and then you see shipping tax class. Now select shipping tax class based on cart item. Rounding if you want, you can enable it. Round tax at subtotal level. Additional tax class. So we are going to create it. So when we create additional tax class, then additional tax class display here on this location. Now press enter. So we are going to add new name for additional tax class. So we added name VAT on state, province, location. And then you see display price in the shop. You see multiple option. Now select excluding. Again you see display price during cart and checkout. Again select excluding and then you see price display suffix. If you want, you can enable price including tax. So you can add this tax and then you can add bracket price underscore including underscore tax, bracket close, and then select this option on display tax total and then click on save changes. So you can add this new class on multiple product or one product. Now setting saved and then you see new class created VAT on state, province, location rate. So click on it. So we are in VAT on state, province, location tax rate. Now you see country code, state code, postcode, city, rate, tax name, priority, compound, shipping. So we are going to add insert row. So click on it and then you see row edit. If you want, you can add country code or you can add state code directly. So first we are going to add country code like US. Now you see United States and then you can add state code. Now you see a 2-digit state code AL. Leave blank to apply all. So you can add state code according to requirement. AL for Alabama. Now you see we added and then you see rate 5% VAT or tax for Alabama state. So you can add tax name VAT on AL and then you see priority 1 shipping enable. So we are going to add more row, insert row. Again you can add state code. If you want, you can target country, so it's up to you, like United. And then you see UK country code GB. So you can target state code for UK, so it's up to you. And then you can add 10% VAT. Again click on insert row. If you want, you can target Canada. So when we write Canada, now you see multiple countries. Now select Canada, CA. And then you can add state code for Canada or province. So you can add state code for British Columbia, BC. So you can find state code on internet. For British Columbia customer user, we are going to charge 20% VAT on BC. Again we are going to add more. So you can add any country like PK Pakistan. Our location is Pakistan. Now you see. So you can add province or location for state code for Pakistan. So add state code PB for Punjab. Now 30% tax. So you can add state code and then you can add tax or VAT percentage for different states according to requirement. So you can add any country code or you can direct add state code, so it's up to you. And then click on save changes. Now save changes done. Go to shop page, open any product. So product open and then you see price including tax $20. So our location is not that we mention here. Now go to edit product. Now edit product open and then you see product data. So we are in general tab and then you see tax status taxable. Now select and then you see tax class. Now you see VAT on state, province, location. So you can open any product and then in edit product you see product data general. So you can set tax status taxable and then you can set tax class and then click on update. So you can apply on many product according to requirement and then click on update. Now product updated done. Go to product page and refresh the page and then click on add to cart. Now click on view cart. So we are in cart page and then click on proceed to checkout. So we are in checkout page and then you see country region. Now select US. So we add Alabama state. Now set Alabama. And then you see subtotal. Now you see VAT on Alabama, $1. So we are going to change again. Now select Canada. In WooCommerce setting tax, we added British Columbia province. Now you see British Columbia we set. Now you see VAT on BC, $4. So you can set same or different tax or VAT rate on product, one product or multiple product for multiple states, province, location using WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.